These are the elevators at 1 Sarasota Tower in Sarasota, Florida. Let's go to ground, which says employee parking. You can tell these used to be Dover by the Brails. Let's go back down to ground. There's your cab view. We're gonna send this one up and get a different elevator. We got this one. Also through those doors are the parking elevators. We'll just start by getting a look at your inspection certificate. And now let's go up to 12. Real quick, you can get a nice view of Sarasota from up here. It's another nice view over there, but that's in someone's office, so we're not going to go that way. We'll cut them when we get an elevator back. Didn't take long. We got the elevator that we were just on, so I don't know if it left for a brief moment and came back, or it just never left and it took a while to register the call. But either way, we got basically the same cab as the last elevator we rode. These were likely modded in the probably mid to late 2010s. Don't know exactly, but I did come here in 2019 and these were already modded. And we're going to end the video back up at 1 where we started.
Floor 1.